What's up, traders? Welcome to my video. Welcome to this channel. Today we're going to be trying to use the trend line techniques in an easier and more optimized fashion. So let's break it down and go over that. All right, so if you're looking at this pair here, we have USD JPY. All right, so the best tip that I can give you is if you're trying to draw a trend line for a more proficient way, I'm going to say that you should use 3 or more widths for better optimization. So let me explain that to you. All right, so you're going to count the widths, okay? You want to count 3 or more when you're doing it. All right, so when you draw your starting point right here, you're going to count the width. So let's try and connect 3. All right, so you got 1 here, 2, 3. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that's even better. Right, so if you can see when I did that, you can see how clean and optimized this trend line looks. Now there's a couple things going on here, right? If you want to sell this market, let's just do this. Okay, look at the many entries that you get if you wanted to sell this market. All right, you get one here, you get one here, that one, and even this one. Okay, so these are many entries that you can take selling this market, going down with the trend. Okay, so now if you're looking to buy this market, what would you do? All right, so well, the thing you would do is that you will wait for a trend line break. Okay, so let's fast forward. Bam, right here. All right, so you can see this candle that broke this previous move structural high here. Okay, and when it broke it, this could have been your entry to go long. All right, so let's see what happens. Now as you can see, you can notice something here. We have a move where price came and tested this structural resistance, that previous resistance, and now it's at that support. Now let's say you want to make a trade from this. One way that you can do that is targeting the starting or the origin of the trend line. So let's go ahead and grab our long position tool, and let's say you enter here and you put your stop here. That's about, let's say about 25, 20, close to 30 pips, and you target this starting point of the trend line move. Now you're looking at about close to over 140 pips, and you're only risking about 30. Okay, so let's see what happens. Alright, so if you can see here how powerful this is, you get a your take profit get hit for over 150 pips, and it seems like you, and the crazy thing about it is that it seems like you barely had any kind of drawdown if you had to enter off this bull candle right here. Okay, the only drawdown you had was probably over 10 pips. All right, so now you can see how powerful trend lines are. Again, I would focus on whenever you're drawing from the origin of it, you want to try and focus on 3 or more widths. That's what I do to try and get the best optimization for trend lines. And if you do that, you'll be able to trade any market, whether it's stocks, whether it's forex, whether it's crypto, any kind of market that you're looking to get the general direction from, or just a simple and easy strategy to use like this one. You can do that if you just try and keep that simple tip in mind. All right, so that concludes it for this video. If you found this video helpful in any kind of way, please leave a like, and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, and I will catch you guys on the next one.